Hello everyone, welcome again. Now today I just want to explain a little bit about my full course structure. Welcome to MVB Trading University, the art of trading. Now this is the masterclass structure where I'm going to be teaching from now onwards. So whatever you pay for a full masterclass, for a full course, you have to know this is what you're going to get. Now I'm going to explain a little bit, and I'm going to explain about the pricings and of course how you can register. Okay, now let's go into it. Now the masterclass itself takes 6 months. Okay, this is no joke, guys. You cannot just learn trading in just 2 weeks or 1 month. You need a long time to learn. Now, 6 months is an ideal duration of any course. Okay, you need to master it in and out. Now, 6 months for me is more than enough to turn you into a pro trader, to know everything about trading. Okay, the the format, we have 3 semesters, each 2 months, and of course we will be having lectures, assignments, and exams. Okay, yes, of course you're going to get examinations in here. Okay, now the masterclass comes in 5 phases. Phase 1 is foundation, where I'm going to teach you the basics of the business itself. Okay, and the phase 2, we're going deep into technical mastering, and we're going to master the technical aspects, different technical aspects in uh, trading. And of course, phase 3, I'm gonna teach about fundamentals. Yes, fundamentals, how to analyze news, how to trade them, how to use them in your advantage. Okay, we're gonna learn so many things about fundamental trading. And of course, a complete trader has to know all technical and all fundamental. Do not just rely on technical. If you need to be a pro trader, you need to also learn about fundamentals. So in this masterclass, you're going to learn about fundamentals also. Okay, and of course, phase 4, we're going to talk about applications. How are you going to apply technical and fundamentals? Okay, how to practice, how to the actual trading process. Okay, in this phase 4, of course, this is where now you're going to learn how to actually make money in trading. All right, and of course, the most important phase here is phase 5, the mastering and the scaling. Okay, you're going to learn about making money, but how are you going to make money in a long term? Okay, how are you going to make money in the long term? This is how I'm going to teach you different methods, how to raise your capital, how to scale your business, how to be profitable in trading. Okay, these are the 5 phases where I'm going to teach you how to make money in trading. Now, of course, all graduated students will get certificate, the MVB certified trader certificate, and of course, you will be joined in a 10x community, the 10x community. Okay, where we will be having trading setups, discussing about different pairs, discussing about setups itself, live sessions, live trading, and Q&A in there, and of course to make that bond, okay, of all the traders around the world, making that bond together, all right, in this community. So this is how the course outline is. In the foundation phase, of course, we're gonna have 2 modules where we have The module one, we have the topics like history of money, trading and market, the global finance, understanding trading as a business, and gambling. Of course, some of you just think like trading is just like betting, which is stupid. All right, we need to take trading as a business. Now, how can we differentiate these terms in trading? We're going to learn about that. In module 2, we're going to go deep into the financial markets. We need to know those financial markets and the participants who participates there, all right? And how to actual trade, how actual the trading, how trading works, all right? And of course, we're going to learn some terminologies. I bet many of you don't know about these terms. All right. For example, if I asked some of you what is the free margin, you just see it on your MT5 or MT4, but you don't know what's the meaning. What is ask? What is bid? What is spread? What is balance? What is equity? Pips. How come we have pips? What is lot size? Lot size. What is actually what is actually happening in lot size? What is leverage? We need to know these terminologies. All right. If you need to be an actual complete trader, you need to learn about these terminologies. All right. And of course, in the first two now, we're going to master technical aspect. In the market structure, of course, these are the topics. And of course, we have mastering market structure series on YouTube. So go on and learn. But in here, we're going to go deeper and deeper because on YouTube, I'm just pointing out some important issues on each topic so that you can get a picture. But in this course, you're going to learn everything, every secret on each topic. For example, in area of liquidity, there are a lot of secrets on areas of liquidity. I'm going to teach you there. Some hidden structures. You know, sometimes we trade, but we don't know we have some secret hidden features or structures that we don't even see them. We're gonna learn and many more in market structure. But of course, we're gonna learn some entries, how to enter, how to place orders, how different styles and strategies on how to enter in the market. And of course, in the three fundamentals. Wow, fundamentals is one of the best thing I do every day. And since I learned fundamentals, I've become so confident in the market. Now in here we will have two chapters. In chapter one, we're going to understand first the assets that we are trading. Many of you trade maybe your Euro USD, but I bet no one knows about the inside of Euro USD. What are the components of Euro USD? Who are the participants? How this asset works? Which sessions we have more volumes? You need to understand the asset you're trading. And this is actually on every business. Maybe you're selling cloth, okay? You need to understand that cloth you're trading so that when a buyer comes, you can explain in detail, all right? And of course, we're going to learn how to analyze fundamental data, how to analyze them. And in chapter 2, we're going to go deep now into trading, news trading. I'm going to teach you technical news trading and, of course, fundamentally. how you can trade news fundamental. All right, and of course, news trading rules. Okay, that is phase 3. And phase 4, we're going to master now the application, how the actual trading process. Then chapter 1, direction bars and top-down analysis. Chapter 2, the actual trading process, the how when you open the chart, what to do in order to place orders. Okay, trade evaluation, the 4-hour formula. Of course, this one I teach as a program. All right, I teach as a program. Same applies in the simple price action entries. This is just I teach is as a program. All right, and of course the 4-hour formula. And in phase 5, we're gonna talk now the scaling and mastery, the risk and reward management, how to build a trading plan, and of course, how to become a successful trader. Okay, after learning all that, we need to make sure that you are really making money in trading. And of course, yeah, I have to give you assignments based on topics, and of course, we have exams on each phase 1 and 2, one exam, phase 2, for 3 and 4, one exam. And of course, we have the last exam where I'm gonna give you a test on demo trading, a 5-day demo trading with requirements, and I'm gonna see you the results. This is how I teach. This is the best method of teaching I've never heard in my trading life. Now it is open for $100, and this is an offer for this month of October, $100 only. But after this month, this program will be given for $150. So hurry up and grab your seats, okay, for this course. So thank you very much, guys. If you want to register on this course, the link is on the description. You'll find my number, and contact me and say you want a course, and I will give you the insights on how to pay and how to register itself. So thank you very much, guys. See you again.